Hello everyone, welcome back to Geeker Mag. If LG Monitor app installer suddenly appeared on your Windows PC after connecting an LG monitor, you're not alone. The app recently gained a lot of attention after users reported unexpected McAfee promotional pop-ups, leaving many wondering whether it's safe and how to remove it. In this video, I'll show you how to completely uninstall LG Monitor app installer and reduce the chances of Windows automatically installing it again in the future. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is ignore the McAfee pop-up by clicking the cancel button. After that, we need to uninstall the LG Monitor app. For that, right-click on the start button and select Settings. In Settings, switch to Apps, and then on the right side, select Installed Apps. Now, from the list of installed apps, locate LG Monitor app. Then, click the three dots next to it and select Uninstall twice. At this point, the app is uninstalled from your device. Now, to make sure it doesn't install automatically again in the future, we need to perform a few additional steps. For that, go back to the main settings page. Now switch to System and then on the right side, scroll down and select About. Here, locate the Related Links section, which is usually at the bottom of the page, and then click the Advanced System Settings link. In the System Properties window, switch to the Hardware tab. Here, click the Device Installation Settings button. In this dialog box, select No. Selecting No will stop apps from manufacturers like LG and others from installing automatically on your device. Finally, click OK. And you're done. I hope this helps. If you found this video useful, like it and subscribe to Geeker Mag for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.